Hey guys, it's me, Sarah, and today I'm going to be making a dress for this cute little Lala Loopsy doll, and it is going to be a bit hard to make shoes for her, so I'm actually just going to be using her original shoes. So, let's put those on. I'm just going to do this off camera, because it's really hard to do it on camera for some reason. I need to hold her up close to me, instead of like on the table in front of me. So there's her cute little shoes and they match her green hair. So we'll put her to the side and we'll start on our creation. So I'm going to be using this turquoise colour for the dress. It's kind of like a lighter cyan. Okay, so I'm going to roll it up into a ball and then... Okay, so there we go. And I'll flatten it down a bit. Okay, and now roll it out with the rolling pin. Okay. Okay, we want to make it quite thin because these are only little tubs of Play-Doh and it needs to fit the doll, so... Actually, this doll's not that small, so... I mean, not that big, so... That's probably good, so... I'm just going to be making it into a bit of a square. So... Okay... And then here, I'm just going to be making it a bit round, so that's where her neck will go. As you can see, take a look, and that's where her neck will go. And yeah, she can have like her arms will go like here. There we go. Okay, I can't get it out of the rolling pin. I'll do that later. It'll go hard and then just fall out. Okay, so, oops. I just made a big mistake. It is not near wide enough. Have a look how wide I did it. I need it way wider than that, because it needs to fit around her whole body. So, we are going to make this a lot wider. Okay, so there we go. There's her little dress, and this is way too long, so we are going to cut this off a lot. And that's still too long, so I did it pretty big. Now it's kind of on a diagonal, but it's okay. Okay, so we're going to try and put this on the doll, attempt to put it on the doll. That looks pretty good so far. Okay, we need to make it wider. Gosh, I'm just losing it. Okay, there we go. So finally got it. Bit wider, and we're just going to place it on around her neck. It fits perfectly, and then we'll like put this on and put it around. Okay, that looks cute. How cute does that look? So there we go, and we may need to patch that up with a bit of Play-Doh. So here I've got some extra Play-Doh to the side, and I'm just going to patch that up a bit, because I've got to make it perfect. And there we go. Okay, so there we go. That looks cute. And oops. So can she stand? Nope, she's not standing. And now we're going to decorate it with this green little, I call them snakes, but they're not really snakes. Like not live actual snakes, but the little Play-Doh snakes. And I'm just going to wrap this around to give it a cute little touch. Okay, so there's the back now. And there's the front. So that is the Lala Loopsy doll's new dress. And comment down below what you think of it. This was actually my first time. So yeah, it's a bit strange, but for my first time I don't think it's that bad. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Oops.